Here's a lap at Daytona Supercross. Going to be a good one tonight. This is right after the start. A couple little rollers there, nothing too crazy, but this is going to be an interesting section right here. This deep beach sand, and it is exciting. They're going to put some rollers through there. A pretty decent rhythm section. Different guys doing different combinations. This is me just doubling through here. I ended up tripling out right here, as you can see. A 180 corner. They're going to turn left into a stadium style triple. Now this lane right here is really long, over 1,000 feet. I don't ever think I've seen a rhythm lane this long, but you guys are really going to enjoy this section right here. I go double all the way through, but Austin Forkner goes triple in, quad out of that section into the moguls. Another 180 corner here. A lot of guys doing different stuff. Some guys going on off here, some guys jumping over, going triple. They land out of that rhythm section. It's kind of like a mellow double into another stadium triple. Watch the two lines that'll probably develop right here as the race goes on in the nighttime, and they go double into another 180 bull corner. Some guys are going to elect to go inside into a dragon back. This is going to get tricky. Look how many ruts were right there into the sand section, and then a lap at Daytona Supercross.